I'm going to walk you through how to remove the subframe bushings from your E39. In this case, this is a subframe from an E39 M5, but it should be the same for all E series or E39 series, 5 series. So first, you got to get one of these kits, and I've tried all the different things. This one's vevor. I think I got it on Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive in the grand scheme of things, maybe 80 bucks, 100 bucks. And the reason why you want this kit is because it has all the different cups and, you know, washer things that you're going to need to pull the old bushing out from the subframe. And how it works, for this one, these are the front ones, rear ones. These are the rear ones because that's the front. Yeah, I believe. Yep, it is. So this one is a 78/68, and this one's a 66/56 millimeter cup and receiver. And all you do is, you know, this is basically how it went. I'm gonna put that in there. Hold on. Come on, go in there, buddy. All right, so that goes kind of that way. Cup gets attached to this side, and then you put the nut on there. You crank on it, use a 22 millimeter wrench, and I used an adjustable wrench on this side because I have it on the floor to hold it in place. And then you just ratchet it down, and then slowly but surely, this will pull this out of the subframe and into this receiver cup. And that's kind of really it. And then when you're done, you take it out, clean the bore, and then you reinsert the new one, doing it the opposite way. So here's what that would look like. Slowly but surely, you can see it come out. Trust me, it's there. It's been a few minutes later. You can see now it's almost all the way through. You should get to a point where you can almost hand tighten it, and then that's it. It comes out. Now, if you want to remove the front differential bushing, you're going to use, this one is, where is it? 60 for the receiving cup, and then the pushing cup is going to be 46. 50, I think, works as well, but I happen to put 46 in there. It does help if you, before you get everything attached, you put a little silicone spray in the inside so that it helps to lubricate, you'll see here, lubricates the sides of the bushing and helps slide it out a little bit better. I mean, this one came out super easy. I'm like just barely doing it. And when you are doing it, make sure that the pushing cup is totally square in the bore itself, because we don't want to have happen is, and it shouldn't really happen with these kits, but you don't want it to get off on an angle, and then it'll start actually digging into the aluminum, and you won't realize it because it's hard anyway, and you start like pulling on it, and then before you realize it, the whole thing is crooked, and you're now digging into the aluminum.